welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a little cheeky boots haul for you. So let's jump straight into the video and I'll show you what I've got. Don't forget, if you enjoy it, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get going. So first up I have got a Hoola bronzer. I got this first in a Birch box and I gave away my sample one. So hi Ruby if you're watching. I've got this here, which is the Hoola bronzer. And this is in a really nice sort of, I don't know, it's not glittery, so it's really good. It's a matte, nice warm shade here, which I think will be absolutely great. I love the fact it's got a little mirror inside, which is really cute. And the brush as well, it's just adorable. It's a really tiny one and it fits perfectly into the little box. So it's handy for travel, which I think is great. But I really like this one. I got my Birchbox sample, so I bought the bigger one so that I can give this one a proper go. But I think the colour of that is going to be perfect and I really like it, and it's really effective as well, so really excited to get going with that one. And to do with makeup, I have also got myself one of these. Thank you Zoya for your recommendation. This is the Real Techniques Beauty Blender sponge. This one is such an odd shape. It's got the flat bit there and the point at the end, so it's something of a weird shape that I'm not very used to, but I'm very keen to give this a go. I feel like because it is so big, it's going to be easier to put my foundation on rather than the tiny one that I'm using at the moment. So yeah, definitely excited to give this one a go. And yeah, it's a Real Techniques one, so I have good faith in this because I love their stuff. And on the note of Real Techniques, I came across these, and this is a brush set. This is a limited edition brush set, which I thought was really cool. There's a nice different variants of them, and they all got different colours on them, but I thought the design was just unique with the X's and O's on there, which I thought was really cute. But it gives the description on the back with all of the different brushes in there. So we've got an Instapop full cheek brush, an Instapop full accent brush, Instapop crease brush, pointed foundation brush, and a lip brush. So really excited to give these a go. And it also has a colour code down the bottom, which I think is really handy for base, eyes and finish, so it marks in with the different colours of the brushes that are inside the box. So Sam and Nick, another great product there. I'm really excited to try these out. I really wanted some new brushes, so yeah, very excited. And the fact these are limited edition as well, I like the idea of that. And they were at a nice deal as well, so that was even better. Moving on, I have got something that I've seen Zoella use quite often, and quite a few other beauty people on YouTube as well, and that is the Collection Lasting Perfection. This is a concealer, and I thought I would give this a go. I've got this in the shade number 1 Fair. And I thought I would give it a go. I'm in the mood for trying lots of different concealers, so I thought I would give this one a go because it's definitely got a big fan base for people who think it's really great. So I thought it was about time I gave it a go and gave that a try out. So very excited to give that one a go and see whether I can use it to its full potential and get some lovely finishes, just like some of the other people that I watch videos for. So hopefully that will come up in a tutorial soon, with me using that one along with some other things as well. Next up, I have got a brand that I know you know that I love, and that is NYX. I have got some more soft matte lip creams because how could you not? I love these so much. You may have seen my previous NYX lipstick collection. Go check it out if you haven't seen it already. Go share the love. And I've got another 3 to add to my little collection here. So I have got this one here, which is a nice sort of neutral beigey taupey kind of colour, I would say, and this one is called Stockholm. So I thought this one was a really nice sort of muted shade that I can use quite often. I love my sort of natural ones that can give my lip colour a bit of an extra oomph, but without being overboard. But when we say overboard, I have gone overboard with a couple of others. I've got this one here, which is pretty much plum / purple, and it's quite bright. This one is called Soul, and I have actually tried this one and I think the colour is absolutely amazing. So although it's purple, it's not too intense. When you actually put it on, it's actually a really nice colour. And I actually like the finish of this bottle. It's kind of like matte and sort of misty. Like, you know how they have those glass bottles and it's sort of misty glass? That's kind of like what this is like. This is plastic obviously, but the finish is sort of that matte finish, which I think is quite nice. And for the last one from them, I have got Amsterdam, and this is this lovely bright red colour, and I just couldn't help myself. Who doesn't love a bright red like that? I mean, It looks fabulous and I can't wait to wear it. But yeah, I absolutely love this colour. I just need to be brave enough to wear it. But yeah, I was very happy to add those to my collection. And last up, I have got this. Now this is a little sort of travel bag, and it was only £18. It was on an offer, and what was inside I was really happy with. But the outside first is like this oilcloth navy blue and white striped, and it's got a rose gold zip, and it's got these little bits on the zip which I thought were really cute, and it's all lovely. And then you open it up and it's got a zip, so it comes in two sections, and they've both got an empty space here where you can zip it through, and it's plastic, so it keeps everything in it, and it keeps it nice and dry as well, so you can take it in the bathroom and things, which would be really helpful. But it also came with all these goodies inside, which I will show you, which I was very excited for. So first up, we have got this manicure set, and I just think it looks really smart and professional. It's got a little button opener there, so you can push that and it opens it up. And inside we've got everything you need to give yourself the perfect manicure, which I thought was really lovely, and it just feels like really good quality. So I was really happy to find that that was inside. And it's got the body wash in there, which has got little bits in it, so some exfoliating little bubbles in there, I would say. We have got a hand cream. That's this little dude here. I must say they all smell absolutely fabulous as well. Couldn't help myself but open them and smell them all. This one here is my absolute favourite smell. This is a Cleanse Moisture Burst facial wash, and again it's got those little beads in there which will help it work, and this one smells a bit like rose and Turkish delight, so I really love that. I love the smell of rose. What else have we got? We have got a Radiance Exfoliator, which I thought was really cool. Not tried that before. We've got a body scrub, so that's got all the little crystals inside there to help exfoliate. We have got a body lotion, and these are all in lovely sort of little travel sizes, so these would be really handy for going away. And last up we've got a body butter in a lovely little pot here. But I just thought the bag as well, it can be really great for a makeup bag or for travel as well, but all of the little bits and pieces inside really handy for travel. And I know it's a really great time to start going away at this time of year, so that would be really handy. And that was only £18, so I think an absolute bargain in Boots as well. So guys, that's what I picked up on my recent Boots haul. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what's your favourite item from my haul here. Do you have any other favourites that you think I should try from Boots? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!